General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
All right. It's 10:31:25. Is this anchor point confirmed now? Technically it is, and technically it's Thursday. Ended up in Thursday. Is expansion player now? No. Terminus hit today. Is it TGIF? Well, we opened today here. No. No TGIF model. No trade day. Terminus hit today. No. Price ended in the middle of the range. I could say interest in delivery, dealing range logic, but we didn't even take this low. Interest in delivery we didn't even run this. Now the SMT is a very nice touch. This one didn't play out. The YM told the tale. Okay. Funny delivery, but not surprising for Friday. Treat, or can't tell you what to do, but I'm trading Friday like a half day. We leave at lunch. If you don't get TGIF. So you let me put you, but okay. Note to self. Okay. This must have flipped. Now we looking down. And we don't need this. We only need this for uncharted territory. It's charted down there. So the CSD was confirmed here. We came back. We got breaker ideas. It looks lower, at least to here. But it just didn't deliver because it's Friday. And this wick right here probably got you out. So say you was like, just I'm going to sell and I'm going to hold to Monday. You scared right here. Funny delivery, but lower still makes sense. The new week opening gap is unfinished. Business. Let's go to the daily. That's the weekly. Okay, so we came back into this large candle. We not respecting nothing. I mean, we kind of respecting this candle. I think the biggest takeaway for this is price filled this volume imbalance. And then B, we didn't close under here. Like, we still got the week high and no close through low of up candle. It should have closed. This ain't, we do need an up candle here, but it could still go, but this ain't convincing. Take the wicks off and just use the body. Okay. Let's just use the body. From this body to this body is the close. And people outside is loud. Alright, so this is top. Right. Body to body close. So we'll note this. We'll see if we close. If we wick, the wick had the power. But if we body, then the body was the truth. We'll keep this here and keep this here. The inefficiency is a good draw and the weak high is a good draw. So one is not better than the other. You're really 50-50. You're really more this way because you're most likely to repeat what you done did. It's just that wick is like, it's interesting. Hold on, wait. All right. Let's see. Really watching this next candle close. know how we wicked the low, but the bodies engulfed. It's probably not. I was close. See what silver did. Mm, got bearish SMT on silver too. We didn't hit the old high. Lackluster day on silver. We didn't hit the whole high. Friday is pretty much a skip day. Unless it's PM bad news, which Nvidia, Trump, and China have did so far this year. Unless it's PM bad news, which is Nvidia, Trump, which, yep. I mean, this is too big. Okay. We never did come down to this fair value for buying, so this is still interesting. Like buying down here, but just for the day it was pretty much chop all day. Would have dropped to this old level. Retest the old level. On the daily, nice little doji. We didn't close above here, and this is important because this is a row of down candles. This really, we came back to this daily fair value gap. Dangerous area. Kind of 50-50 here. It's not clean. And it's Friday. We use that for Monday. Take Friday low, push higher. Retake Friday's low, retest Friday's low, go lower. Small range day. 2 month week. Okay, euro. Let's see. It's actually pretty good delivery, and we finally took the old weekly low. So we in the area where we want to buy. We could gap up. That would suck. but finally hit the old weekly low we've been waiting for. Now we can start looking for buys. And this should be a major shift. Go to the H1. Okay, this order block is dead. This fair value gap is dead. And this rejection block is dead. Okay. We almost to here, which is interesting as well. Okay. We'll eventually get to new levels. Like, we didn't get no tap or nothing here, but one more drop. So we got a low. We want another low here. Oh, snap. I did should form here to buy. Okay. Looking for the initial low to be ran. And then market structure shift. Okay, the old weekly low. We almost to the balanced price range. I can take this off. We're a little bit past the 20-day, but this is 20, 40, 60-day on the IPTA. That's a big deal. Okay. No. 20, 40, 60-day IPTA low. This is a big bank level. No trade day. The market wasn't one-sided. So TGIF is not high probability or HPT. One-sided weak. It still moves. It still moves on a Friday. But after the weekly range is capped, there needs to be a news driver to push us Friday afternoon. Just don't even look at Friday. Take off Friday, Monday. Oh, don't look at Friday unless it's TGIF. Because days like this, you could just save the mental capital. Nothing really happens. No framework. Look for TGIF on one-sided market weeks or inefficient weeks. It's Friday. All right, cool. That's that on that. Y'all have a good day. Peace.